In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Logitech mouse, that is the M240. In case you're having issues with it, if it's not clicking or not scrolling properly, what should you do? Well, we need to open the mouse. It's not that complicated. Step number one, turn the mouse off, remove the lid, and also remove the battery and the dongle that may also be inserted there. Now we need to remove this sticker right over here. So to do this, you can try to use your nails if you can, or maybe a flathead screwdriver like this one to scrape it out, at least to help you until it's in this position. Almost there. Because we need to reveal this screw that is hiding right over there. It's a Phillips head screw. Take a small Phillips head screwdriver like this one. I'll put links in the description if you don't have one. And go ahead and remove it. Don't lose it. So here we go. I'm going to place it here. And now all you have to do is to lift the front panel. You can take a flathead screwdriver or something small. You're going to notice there is a small tab right over here that you need to push in that direction just to lift the front cover. Okay, great. Once you have unlatched it, you'll be able to lift the whole thing. At this point, you're going to notice this is the right click, the scroll wheel that clicks also on the left click. If you have issues with any of these buttons, what I suggest, first of all, is to take a blower, maybe a compressed air blower, one of these, or your mouth. Anyway, simply blow so we remove the big chunks of hair, of dust, or debris that may have come over time. Then we need to put some WD-40, not much, on these buttons, so we lubricate them. You don't need, as I said, much. You simply have to make sure it goes right there, just a tiny bit, and then once you have put it, press many times so it penetrates deeply. Then same thing with the scroll wheel. You can put for the scroll wheel button right over there. This is the button. When you press on it, it's a bit hard, but go ahead and click many times. If you had issues with the scrolling motion, then you can also put on the other side right over there and scroll like this during a minute. So it penetrates. Same thing with the other button. Tiny bit, a small dab, and then press many times so it goes inside. At the end, what I suggest is that you go ahead and insert the battery in the mouse, turn it on, and just take a look if it's working. Most of the time this will solve the issue. To reassemble the mouse, take the front plate, simply put it over, and take the screw. Put back the sticker the best you can. Obviously it will maybe not be as pretty as it was before. Put back the battery. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.